In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the calendar configuration section in your GoHighLevel CRM administrative workflow console. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Using Chrome helps ensure the platform loads properly and that all menu options appear as expected. Once Chrome is open, go to your GoHighLevel CRM login page and sign in to your administrative workflow console. Make sure you're using an account with the correct admin level access, because some settings areas may not be visible if your permissions are limited. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to let the dashboard finish loading completely. This is especially helpful if your workspace contains a lot of data or custom settings, since some navigation items may appear a second or two later. Starting from the main dashboard, look over to the System side menu. This is the navigation panel that lets you move between the major sections of the platform. From that side menu, navigate to Settings. In many cases, this option is found toward the lower portion of the menu, so you may need to scroll slightly depending on your screen size or browser zoom level. Click on Settings to open the Settings area of the console. Once you're there, continue to the Profile section. This takes you into the part of the account where personal and workspace-related configuration details are organized. When the profile page opens, scan the setup window carefully and look for the block segment labeled Calendar Configuration. This is the specific area you need to locate. Depending on how your interface is arranged, the section may appear as a clearly separated settings card or panel within the page. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the page slowly and read each section label carefully so you don't miss it. It's also a good idea to avoid refreshing or clicking away while the page is still loading, since that can interrupt the interface and make it harder to find the right configuration area. If the layout looks slightly different from what you expected, that can happen because of platform updates, user permissions, or account level customization. In that case, focus on the exact path: settings, then profile, and then the calendar configuration block. Once you've found that section, you're in the correct place and ready for the next part of your setup or configuration process. That's all for this walkthrough.